In this video we will learn what is data and what is information. Data means raw fact, it is unorganized. Information means processed data, it is organized. When data is processed, it becomes information. Now types of memory. Computer memory is two types. One is primary, that is internal memory, and another is secondary, that is external memory. Primary memory is RAM, ROM, internal. Secondary memory is hard disk, pen drive, memory card, like this one. What is RAM? RAM holding data temporarily. While computer is off, all the data inside the RAM is erased. ROM is permanent. It is holding data permanently. While computer is off, all the data inside the ROM is not erased. The main motto of primary memory to store less amount of data. Now secondary memory. What is the function of secondary memory? Secondary memory stores large amount of data. Secondary memory is hard disk, pen drive, memory card, like this way. What is memory card? Memory card is a popular storage medium used to store small electronic things like digital camera, cell phone, etc. What is DVD? DVD is which contain more data than CD, and it is similar to CD. Next one is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is rewritable and it store high definition video. What is pen drive? A small portable device that stores very less amount of data is called pen drive. What is cloud storage? A cloud storage is a service for storing data online. A user just needs an internet connection to access the data online. Example, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. Now exercise. In exercise section है question number 1 RAM ROM. Next one is 4-bit. B information. Second है binary. Third है secondary. Fourth है permanent. C 1B 2 3 D 4 C. True false. First true, second false, then true. Double match. First data. Section B data information. Data means raw record. Information means processed data. Data is unorganized. Information is organized. It is just text and number. It is refined data. Internal memory. It is the second number question. It is main memory. It stores less amount of data. External memory. It is secondary memory. It stores more amount of data. And next one, third question means what is cloud storage and what is secondary memory. Already discussed. You should learn from the book.